Hi there. How are you?
Is it on film already?
Yes. Yeah.
I'm good.
You're great. It's nice to meet you. My name is Uni, and I'm here to film and interview you and just ask you a few questions, and you could tell me a little bit more about yourself. We're very interested in the work that you do, and so can you tell us in camera who you are, um, where you're from, a little bit about yourself?
Hi, my name is Dr. Peter Tsang. Tsang spelled as Tsang. I have a clinic here. The name is Quantum Holistic Health. What we do here, well, we mostly practice Chinese medicine, but we have incorporated quite a bit of newer technology like microcurrent therapy, laser therapy. We also have massage here, and acupressure, and all kinds of different techniques to treat patients.
That's wonderful. Um, in terms of treatments, the kind of people that come in here, can you tell us a little bit more who comes in here, who's seeking out your treatments, and like what kind of challenges do they have, in their bodies? Yeah.
The clinic being here at it's close to Canby on West Broadway. We draw a lot of clients from the local area, which is Mount Pleasant, Fairview, downtown, even Richmond, East Vancouver, or Burnaby, because it's so convenient. And the type of patients that come in ranging actually surprisingly from early 20s up to, yesterday I treated a patient 89 years old. And the day before I treated a patient was only 21. So it's a wide range of people. The people that come in usually are the people that had done many other different therapy and or many other therapies that did not help them. And so far, Chinese medicine is still used as a complementary medicine, and also as most of the time as a last resort. And I'm glad that we are the last resort, because most of the time I'll be able to help people to move forward. It's an amazing feeling when you see people that come in very discouraged by what they have saw and what they have visited, and different therapies that didn't help them. For me, I have been very lucky to run into this profession, because I get paid for good time. It's such an amazing feeling when you see people that have, for example, a car accident, have pain for the last 3 years, and they went to different therapies and didn't get any better. And I remember 3 years ago, when patients came in, she told me she'd been going for therapy for 3 years, and that the first treatment that she had was the first night she had a full night's sleep in 3 years, and that was amazing. Yesterday, the lady that's 89 years old again have severe back pain, and she described her pain was 9 out of 10, and she had visited a couple other therapies before, and then she had acupuncture with another clinic for a couple of times, and it didn't help. And her friends brought her in here, and after I put a few needles, 10 minutes, she said her pain was 80% gone. That was wow for me. That was just amazing feeling. And I do not claim the credit for myself. It's all my teachers that I learned from. and all our ancestors that have the intelligence to invent and discover such an amazing medicine.
Wow, Peter, that's an incredible story, a very successful story of your experience. And can I ask, how long have you been practicing traditional Chinese medicine for, and what drew you into this very fascinating method of medicine?
Um, this is not my first career.
Mm-hmm.
I have a couple other very successful careers, quite lucrative in terms of money.
Mm-hmm.
But what drew me into this medicine is it's very rewarding. It's very rewarding, and growing up in Hong Kong, I actually did grow up with Western medicine mostly, and Chinese medicine to me was kind of again secondary. My parents did not take us much to Chinese medicine except for herbal tea. But quite a few years ago, when I was having a very successful career in business, I was kind of searching for meaning. I was making lots of money, and I still feel very empty inside. So I was looking around and see what else can I do for the rest of my life that would give me purpose. Incidentally, I come across Chinese medicine in a what they call showcase, open house. I walk in and that was in Calgary many years ago, and I decided to maybe I should take one or two courses, and I visit a acupuncturist to talk to him about it, and then I started taking a class. My first acupuncture class, I mentioned to the instructor that I had severe sciatica pain, and he put 2 needles in me, and the pain was 50% gone instantly. So I was impressed. So throughout my studying and my practicing, I have been amazed so many times that when you use the right method, the result is quite often is instant. Not saying that you will be healed instant, but your body react to the acupuncture instantly.
Wow, that's incredible, the benefits of traditional Chinese medicine.
Amazing.
Thank you for sharing. So you've mentioned that you've been around Western medicine for quite some time. And so now that you do and practice Chinese medicine, can you tell us the difference between the two, and how does one who's never been exposed to Chinese medicine, how can they be open to such thing, being that we're quite, like we have a lot of different types of medicine, like for instance Western medicine.
The most of the I guess Western medicine been around for not for a long time, and the advancement of Western medicine has been tremendous for the last 50 years, especially with all the new technology. So Chinese medicine, I think it has become Chinese medicine / acupuncture, herbal medicine, has become more and more popular the last 5-10 years. I think just because that there are actual needs to have what we call complementary medicine, which complement the mainstream Western medicine. There are many people that are tired of taking pills, and understand that quite often the taking pills masking the symptom. For example, if you have a high blood pressure, basically doctor will put you on high blood pressure pills, and you'll be on it for a long time, unless you take the initiation to correct it in a holistic way, in a natural way, meaning diet, exercise, balance emotion, and all those natural, healthy activities. Western medicine has been a blessing for our society for emergency cases. Many amazing surgery that have do implants in people, and antibiotics that have helped many situations that otherwise people have no hope, or they die from the bacteria or virus infection. However, Chinese medicine is a great complementary to the mainstream medicine in many cases, in many situations. Chinese medicine is very holistic, meaning that we look at people as a whole human being. Everything is related. For example, if you have lower back pain, it's very likely that you have problem with, or you have some issues with your kidney, and that related to also knee pains, also related to urination problem. For example, when people get older, they have problem with controlling the frequency, or they have urgency for urination. We in Chinese medicine consider that caused by a kidney system problem. When we say kidney, we not necessarily just mean the organ. It's a whole system that related to the kidney function.
Wow. Okay, so it sounds like Chinese medicine treats the root cause of the symptoms, of the illnesses. And it's a very holistic, organic way of looking at the whole body. And that just sounds really, really incredible, because I feel like a lot of people, again, today are reaching out to alternative types of healing, rather than just going to a doctor, getting a prescription, and things like that. And so I know I'm not interested in that method